Our next type of question has two steps. When a place with a time is given, so you have a place with a time, and they want to know what will the time be in a different location. There are two steps. Step one is what I've just explained to you. So you see, step one you always use when you do these type of calculations. Work out the time difference. Okay, we do that and we know you're referring to time difference. Here's the added step. Determine in which direction do you need to find your final answer. When you need the answer towards the west, you're going to have to minus with your time difference. When you need the answer towards the east, you're going to plus. All right, guys, so this is very important. Okay, it's all about direction. So when 2 points are given, be safe. Put your finger on your time zone map on the given location. Write down the time in your answer sheet. And then, are you looking for the new answer towards the east or the west? That will determine whether you're going to minus or plus with the time difference. Let's quickly do an example. All right. A flight arrives in Johannesburg at 4 in the morning. So we've got a location and a time that was given. What will the time be in New York? So guys, the fact that they say a flight is there to throw you off course because the flight has nothing to do with it. What they do want to know is if it's 4 o'clock in Johannesburg, what will the time be in New York? I explained to you two steps. Okay, first of all, on your time zone map, by now and with previous examples, we know that Johannesburg, if we read on the map, is GMT plus 2. New York on the map, we've done it now, was GMT minus 5. You see it's a plus and a minus, so it means they are both sides from the GMT. We're going to add the two together, and the time difference that we get is 7 hours. That was step one. Step two, we take the given time. It is 4 o'clock in South Africa, in Johannesburg. We want the time in New York. All right, so here's a clean map. We are in Johannesburg. All right, so you put your finger on Johannesburg. We need the time in New York. So we need the time in this direction. This direction is west, and when we need to go west, we have to minus. All right, so we take the 4 o'clock that was given. You see, there it is. And then we take the 7 hours time difference of step one. You see, there it is. And now, very important, we're going to minus because we're going, or we need the answer west of Johannesburg. And the answer will be, and you see, this is also a bit difficult to comprehend at first, 9 o'clock the previous day. So if they didn't put dates or anything down, you have to say the previous day because you have crossed 12 o'clock at midnight.